Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of searching for a message in a community on WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your desktop or laptop. Step 2. Navigate to the community where you want to search for a message. Step 3. Look for the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 4. A search bar will appear. Type in the message you want to search for. Step 5. As you type, a new list will appear below with the relevant messages. Simply click on the desired message to access it. And there you have it. You've successfully searched for a message in a community on WhatsApp web. It's a convenient way to find specific information or refer back to previous conversations. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay connected and see you in the next video.